To track member contribution is seamless. Navigate to members menu, then choose manage contributions. Here, from the compbox or the drop-down list, you can find all the members. Choose the member whom you want to track his or her contributions. Choose which contributions. ChamaSoft directly supports the following contribution: saving, share, welfare, chairman's kitty, merry-go-round, fine, and other contribution that is not directly attributed to the above. So, for example, if the member want to contribute a share, enter the share amount the member is contributing. Choose the account, the income account to associate with that contributions. Like here we use contribution. Now, when you check print receipt automatically after contribution, this feature means that after contribution, the receipt will be printed. And before you do that, make sure that the installed printer is connected, powered on, and filled with stationery. With stationery, I mean ink and paper. But if those, remember that this printer feature is not going to, remember that this print feature is not going to open a Windows dialog, a printer dialog for you to customize or set up the printer. So you make sure that the printer, the custom printer or the printer you want to use is set as a custom printer on your computer. Then choose contribute. But before that, also make sure that you choose if the person or the contribution is directly deposited in the bank, choose bank, and if it is in cash, it will automatically be debited on a deposit cash account. Click contribute, the contribution is saved and is automatically updated to the members' contribution. In the contribution management window, you can also generate member contribution statements. You can enter the start date, then end date, then use generate statement. The statement is generated. You can export this statement to Excel or CSV, export it to PDF, or use to print the statement. The balance tab, it is there to help you generate the member contribution balance to date. Just enter the member number whom you want to generate or to get balance and use generate. Here you will get the breakdown, total savings, share, welfare contributions, merry-go-round, chairman's kitty, and other contribution directly associated with that member, and the total contribution to date. Loan limit, you can simulate how much the member can get as a loan based on the changing factor, which I call, or what in this software is referred to as multiplier. Now, assuming we enter the member number, that is the correct membership number, and which multiplier are you using to determine the loan limit. I know you have a pre-filled loan limit on Chama profile when you are installing the software, but we have allowed this to be open so that in the future when the group chooses to change the multiplier, we don't have to refactor the software. So say multiplier is 4, then what happens is that the software multiplies total share of that member with the multiplier, in this case 4, to get the loan limit. On the withdraw tab, and when we navigate to manage contribution on withdraw tab, you can choose a member can withdraw from his or her savings. So you choose the member who want to make a withdraw, enter the amount the member wants to withdraw, then choose confirm, and the transaction, in case there is no enough money to withdraw the transaction. Fundamental features for contribution management. Suppose you want to generate the statement for members' contributions, click the statement tab, then choose the member from the list, then generate the statement for that member as per the contribution, savings, share, welfare, chairman's kitty, miracle, type of contributions, amount contributed, and the running balances.